How to fix TikTok error no result found, try different keywords in your next search. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your TikTok error no result has been found. Try different keyword in your next search. If you are facing this issue, here are some steps that you can try to fix the issue. First of all, ensure you have a stable internet connection, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. So you can also update the app, ensure you have the latest version of your TikTok installed on your device. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the TikTok here. Once you have searched for the TikTok, if there is any update available, download the latest version of your TikTok app. After that, you can long press on your TikTok and go for the eye icon. Once you are on your app info of your TikTok, you can go for the storage or clear data according to your device preference and go tap on the clear tab. You might also want to clear data, which will also log out you from your TikTok. So considering clear cache helps you to fix the minor glitches on your TikTok. Also, you can uninstall the TikTok app and then install it from your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you have the fresh version of your TikTok. Also, you can try the another keyword on your TikTok. Just like go for your TikTok and search for the another keyword here. So once you have searched, so here you can see that there is no result has not been found. So you can see here. And also you can check for the regional. Also, you can check for the regional restriction. Some content may be restricted based on your location. Also, you can wait and try. Sometimes server issue may temporarily affect the source functionality. Wait a little while and try again. So this is the step you will be able to resolve the issue that you have been facing on your TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.